Okay, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, what we have discussed in the last class?
Building materials.
Building
Materials.
materials. What are the building materials? Concrete, stone. These are the building materials. Next, what we have discussed? Surveying. What are the types of surveying? Plain surveying, compass surveying, theodolite surveying. These are the types of surveying. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the building components. Okay, what are the building components we have? First one is substructure and superstructure. Okay, what is called a substructure? Yes, the building which is constructed below the ground surface is called as substructure. What is superstructure? A building above the ground surface is called as superstructure. Okay, in substructure, the main thing is foundation. Okay, this is the ground level, below which we have the foundation. Okay, what is the difference between foundation and footing? What is the difference between foundation and footing? The foundation is nothing but the entire thing that is constructed below the ground surface is called as foundation. Okay, this area is called as the footing. This one is foundation wall. Okay, in foundation we have two types. Okay, first one is shallow foundation and deep foundation. What is it by shallow? What is the meaning of shallow? The depth will be less. Okay, what is the meaning for deep? Deep foundation is the depth will be high. Okay, if the depth is larger, that is called as deep foundation. Okay, what is the criteria means? If the depth to breadth ratio is less than 4.5. Okay, if it is less than 4.5, we will be going for shallow foundation. When the depth to breadth ratio is larger or greater than 4.5 means it is called as deep foundation. Okay, in shallow foundation we have first one step footing, mat footing, combined footing and slope footing. Okay, means first one is step footing. This is the step footing. We will be having a step-like structure. In the foundation we will be having a step-like structure. Why we are using this step-like structure means for the bearing capacity, the soil bearing capacity. What is the main thing for the foundation? What is the main principle of foundation? Why we are providing a foundation for a building? The main activity. What is the main activity the foundation is doing? It is carrying the loads. Okay, transferring the loads from the superstructure to the ground surface. Okay, the load which is coming from the superstructure is transferred to the foundation. Next, the foundation transfers the load to the ground surface or the soil surface. This is the main thing in foundation. Okay, these are the types. First one, isolated footing. Isolated footing means only one footing is given. This kind of footing is provided in small buildings. Okay, next one, step footing. Why we are providing step footing? When the depth is larger, we will be providing step footing. Next one, slope footing. What is slope? Slope footing. If we have a taller building, we will be providing this slope footing. Next one, combined footing. What is combined footing? One or more footing is provided means that is called as combined footing. Okay, this is isolated footing, only one is provided. Here, two footings are provided. If more than two means that is called as mat footing. Okay, this kind of footing is provided for larger buildings. Larger buildings like institutional buildings or hospital buildings. Okay, this combined footing is provided. Next one is deep foundation. What is deep foundation? What is deep foundation? Deep foundation is nothing but depth to breadth ratio is greater than or equal to 4.5. deep foundation. In deep foundation, we have two types. Okay, first one is pile foundation. Second one is pier foundation. This is pier foundation. Okay, this pile foundation is provided. Where this will be provided? When the soil carrying capacity is, if the soil carrying capacity is low, this kind of foundation will be provided. These are the two types. One is pile foundation and